Welcome to What is Agile? In this course, we are not going to talk about waterfall software development, but the waterfall model illustrates the software development process in a linear, sequential flow. In the waterfall model, any phase in the development process begins only if the previous stage is complete, as you can see from this picture. So we have requirements, we have design, implementation, testing, maintenance, etc. On the other hand, Agile software development refers to a group of software development methodologies based on iterative development, where requirements and solutions evolve through collaboration between self-organizing cross-functional teams. Agile methods generally encourage frequent inspection and adaptation, a leadership philosophy that encourages teamwork, self-organization, and accountability, a set of engineering best practices intended to allow for rapid delivery of high-quality software, and a business approach that aligns development with customer needs and company goals. Agile development refers to any development process that aligns with the concept of Agile Manifesto. And Agile Manifesto was created by a group of 14 leading figures in the software industry and reflects their experience of what approaches do and do not work for software development. Did you know that Agile can also be applied not just to software products or services, but also in all different niches which are not IT related? So I recommend you to pause this course and read the Agile Manifesto in your resource section.